Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to remove Telegram account from Android phone. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily remove your Telegram account from your phone. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now with that wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your phone settings. Now once you open your phone settings, all you need to do is to scroll to where you can see account. You can see Google, but don't click on Google, but just click on account. And once you click on account, you can see your Telegram over here. Just click on Telegram, and once you click on Telegram, you can see remove account. Just click on remove account and then remove your account, and you can see removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. So by doing this, your account is not actually deleted, but it's just removing your accounts from the device that you are using, and you can log into your account at any time. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video